Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot to use AI email assistant, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into HubSpot and use the AI email assistant, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.hubspot.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link to initiate a password reset. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button to access your HubSpot account. After logging in, navigate to the Email section from the main dashboard. In the Email section, look for the AI Email Assistant feature. Click on the AI Email Assistant option to launch the tool. You may need to grant certain permissions for the AI Assistant to function effectively. Follow any prompts that appear to ensure your setup is complete. Now you can start using the AI Email Assistant to draft and manage emails efficiently. Explore the various features available to enhance your email communications. Once you're familiar with the assistant, experiment with different templates and suggestions it offers. This concludes the tutorial on how to log into HubSpot and utilize the AI email assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.